Guys, welcome back to the channel, and here is our friend again in the MV Agusta Superveloce. Like I said, I have this bike for almost 1 week, but unfortunately only these last 2 days it has been sunny. The other days it has been raining, so I haven't been out with the motorcycle. And now I am enjoying it a little bit more, and I have a little bit more knowledge about this beautiful motorcycle, and I'm gonna talk to you about the things I like and the things that it could be improved, and some of the things I'm gonna mention, it's basically because I'm not used to the motorcycle yet. So let's start with the fairings, everything involving the frame of the motorcycle, which is something that I do like very much, because this is an 800 motorcycle with the fairings matching an 800 body. What I mean by this, nowadays most of the manufacturers, for example, they build 300 cc's motorcycles and then they put them with larger fairings, so they look like 600. And this one, no, it's an 800 with the fairings for an 800. It doesn't want to look like a 1000 or 1200 or something bigger. It is what it is, and it's what it makes it a very maneuverable, very agile motorcycle and fun to ride. That is a very positive point that I do like. And how I notice this, well, besides riding it, it's when I park this motorcycle in my garage. Usually I do have a Sim GTS, a 125, and this motorcycle here takes less space than my Sim GTS 125. So this is an example how a motorcycle should be, and how you can have all the performances that you want from a motorcycle with the beautiful engine, small motorcycle, and lots of power. And with that, the only thing you have to do is have fun. One thing that happened to me with this motorcycle, it's basically when I pick the motorcycles, I don't look at the manuals because they don't come with manuals, and I rarely ask for specific information about the motorcycle. And on this one, I know it has the traction control, it has the ABS control, it has all those information that you saw on the review, but I was having trouble finding the maps, the button to change the maps of the motorcycle. And trust me, I did press all these buttons, press hard, press everything to find it, and it wasn't changing, which means the sport, the rain, the sport, rain, I forgot which, the custom, and there is another mode that you can see on the review that I didn't find how to change. And what I have to do, I had to call the manufacturer, and he told me where the button is, and it's here, there. It's the same button that it's the starter of the motorcycle. It all works as the changing for the maps. And as we all know, we are not used to this button doing other things other than start the motorcycle. So the lesson of the day is read whatever it's written on the buttons. It will help you. It was simple. Okay, it wasn't simple because I took like 10 to 15 minutes to try to find it. Okay, which is right here on the touch of the finger, and I didn't find it. I had to call to the manufacturer to find where it was. But besides that, once I found it, everything works fine and perfect. Another thing, this is a question of getting used to the motorcycle. It's the button for the menu, which is very close to the button for the blinkers, left and right. And sometimes, I don't think if it was in the English review or the Portuguese review, I wanted to play with the configurations in the menu, and I was using the button for the blinkers, and nothing was happening here except the blinkers blinking there. But like I said, this is a question of getting used to the buttons, because otherwise everything works fine. It's just sometimes if you want to see traction control, if you want to change, and you do this, and then you press, you go there. Okay, now it's a wrong button. It's not working. Okay, so I'm pressing the wrong button. That's the only thing that it's not annoying. It's a question of getting used to the motorcycle. I do like the mirrors of this motorcycle, and I do feel it needs a little bit better suspensions. Okay, they are good. Everything is adjustable on the suspensions, but we are talking about a motorcycle that everything else is electronically adjusted. So why not spend a couple grand more and put electronic adjustable suspensions, okay? If you can adjust the ABS with the touch of the button, if you can adjust traction control with the touch of a button, if you can adjust the engine power, the engine response, everything with the touch of a button, why can't we adjust the suspensions with the touch of the button, okay? This is an exclusive bike. Almost 20 euros, 20,000 euros. 20 euros it would be cheap. 20,000 euros. And I think for a couple 2,000 euros more, people would prefer to have everything electronic, because if someone has the money to spend 20,000 a year, I'm sure it will have a couple grand more to spend with electronic. That's my opinion. Honestly, I don't have the 20,000 euros to spend on this one, so I'm gonna enjoy it while I can. I'm gonna deliver it today, so until then I'll just enjoy it the maximum I can. I do like a lot the design, and especially this leather belt here on the top of the tank. It gives it a great look. The headlights is also a major point on the motorcycle. It's different from the usual, and for that it has a thumbs up. Okay, there is nothing I can say about this thing. This is motorcycle that can be bad. All the things that I'm pointing, it's just improvements basically that could be done. Okay, having said this, guys, I don't think I have anything else to add to this to my final ride. Let's call it my final ride with this motorcycle, because today I'm gonna deliver it. I just want to remind you guys of my partnership with CarTrack, the GPS tracker for your motorcycles. It only works in Portugal, but at least if you have your bike stolen, if it moves out of place without your knowledge, you will have the ability to track it faster. There will be a link down in the description which will give you the first month free, so enjoy it. And don't forget also to subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell so you receive future videos, follow my other networks, and I'm just gonna say goodbye and see you in the next one.